Today we're making hot chocolate bombs. Melt 3/4 cup dark chocolate. Pour 1 teaspoon of chocolate in each hemisphere of a mold and paint a thin layer of chocolate using a small spoon on the inside of the mold. Place into the fridge for 10 minutes to set. Apply a second coat of chocolate, paying special attention to the edges to build them up a bit so the molds have a strong edge. Freeze for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes your chocolate will easily release from the mold. In one swift move, turn the mold upside down onto the table with a bit of force to get the chocolates to all come out. Use the back of your silicone mold to hold it. Now microwave the plate for a few seconds. Gently move the hemispheres on the plate. Fill hemispheres with cocoa mix and marshmallows. Now again microwave the plate for a few seconds. Gently move the hemisphere on the plate and place it immediately on the other one. Now decorate it with melted chocolate or sprinkles. Place these in the freezer for a couple minutes so the edges will set. Add a hot chocolate bomb in a cup of milk and use a spoon to stir so that the cocoa and chocolate melts into the hot milk. Share and watch this space for more easy and quick recipes. Enjoy!